In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Typeform in Unbounce. By the end, you'll have your Typeform embedded neatly on your Unbounce landing page, ready to collect responses without sending visitors elsewhere. First, start by grabbing the embed link from your Typeform. Open your Typeform, go to the area where you share your form, and look for the option to embed it on a website. Choose a standard embed or inline embed so the form appears directly on your page. Copy the embed code that Typeform provides. It usually looks like a small snippet of HTML and JavaScript. Keep that copied to your clipboard. You'll paste it into Unbounce in just a moment. Next, head over to Unbounce. Sign in and navigate to your dashboard. Find the landing page where you want the Typeform to appear. Open that page in the Unbounce Builder so you can edit the layout and add elements. Inside the Unbounce editor, you're going to add a custom HTML widget to your page. This widget lets you place code snippets exactly where you want them. Drag the custom HTML element onto your layout and position it where the Typeform should appear, such as below your hero section or within a content block. You can resize the widget box to roughly match the space you want the form to occupy. You'll fine-tune it after previewing. Now paste the Typeform embed code into the custom HTML widget. Make sure you paste the entire snippet without altering it. If your form appears cut off or too narrow later, you can adjust the widget's dimensions in the editor to give it more room. When you're happy with the placement, click Save and Unbounce. Saving ensures your changes are stored and prepares the page for a quick check. Finally, click Preview to see how the Typeform looks on the page. In the preview, test the form's first few fields to confirm it loads smoothly and scrolls correctly. Check both desktop and mobile views so you can catch any spacing issues. If something looks off, return to the editor, adjust the custom HTML widget's size or position, save again, and refresh the preview until it looks just right. That's all you need to embed your Typeform in Unbounce. Copy the embed code from Typeform, open your landing page in Unbounce, add a custom HTML widget, paste the code, save, and preview. With these steps, you'll keep visitors on the page, reduce friction, and increase completion rates. Thanks for watching, and happy building!